went to the dealership yesterday, saw the car, drove the car, finalized some numbers. Now today is the day I go pick up my dream car. I just called the insurance, got that paid, waiting on my ride right now. Got about a 45-minute drive. Hey, we work hard for this. We're gonna keep working. We're gonna turn up some more because it's only the beginning. Yes, sir. Ride on pulled up. Yes, sir. This car is so sexy, though. Yeah, they got some tools. See, like when I came, mine was over there. This right here feel like a dream. I'm just waiting for my car to get clean, get some gas in it. So we just walk around, looking at the C8, C7s. A couple stuff that's in this warehouse right here, back here. But yeah, some more updates soon.
Yeah, that boy snap. No, he finna drive it. Nah, not right now, but he finna get it right now. He just waiting.
Definitely 5 stars.
Thank you.
I'm gonna leave a review for you. I honestly don't know how to feel right now. I honestly don't know how to feel right now. But honestly, this just gave me so much motivation, extra motivation to keep chasing my dreams, keep going. First we was grinding before, we did what we had to do before, but now, 10 times harder. Because imagine this same feeling with a house, a new business, a property. So that's things we're looking forward next to do. Buying a property, trying to do a fix and flip, teaming up with my boy Landlord Jack. So that's up next. So I'm gonna do some video, but stay tuned with more content with this, El Camino, and some other cars. So let's keep it going. That's the next day. Just enjoying the car. It's dirty right now, so we about to go self-car wash, get some content with my boy, and just have fun and enjoy it for real. But this feeling right here amazing, dog. It's the next day. Well, it's 2 days after getting the car, and I'm just enjoying it, feeling good, making some content with my boy right here. about to go get a car wash and then make some content and enjoy the car. But honestly, this feeling is just such, it just feels so good, making me want to actually take everything 10 times harder. Make sure I'm on point with my content as far as building cars, this car, make sure I'm on point with business stuff, just making sure I'm on point with everything that I want to do and achieve a lot of the goals I want to do. One of my next goals is to team up with my boy Landlord Jack and start working with him, getting everything going, starting to buy and flip houses, rental properties, and just keep building. So my next goal is rental properties, learn the stock market, and just keep elevating my businesses, keep getting myself out there as far as building cars. That's something I want to do, is build cars. But right now we just enjoying it. Cleaned up. That's the end of the video about my dream car, but stay tuned with more content. We're being consistent now. We got a build starting tomorrow, money color. So I'm gonna show y'all that right now. I'm gonna go to my storage unit. Gotta go pick that car back up, take it to my home shop, and then tomorrow start working on that, doing repairs. The next video I post will probably be a video of that, showing y'all overview of that, how we starting, and also wrapping this car camo, either the Dolph camo or the all black camo. I'm gonna show you the picture here. Comment what y'all want, either the Dolph camo or the all black camo. But we gonna storage unit real quick, show y'all that, and then that's it for this video.
They want to shut it down, or it's going to stay a little bit silent?
That's it. now it's officially the end of this video. As you can see behind me, car is done, rebuilt is back. So I'm gonna give you a quick timeline. Bought it in April, crashed it in July, bought it back September, fixed it in like 2 weeks, and I've been enjoying it since. But my goal 2026, be more consistent with content. That's why I'm editing this video, getting this video out. From here on, we'll have more content of building this whole car, and then back to my old school stuff. So enjoy the content for this. After this, my old school car, then I just make content with these two cars, and hopefully more cars in the future. So stay tuned, it's gonna be a fun one.